welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I gave myself a facelift, just as you're seeing in this preview video. And I also did like this very cute hairstyle and I love it. So guys, this tutorial is going to be a very short and fast tutorial, and this is just me styling or sectioning my hair out so that I would have a very good application of the gel or air control or whatever you want to do. But this is my style, this is how I do it, and I just section the hair into like quarter parts or like just like half front, and you know the bigger part should be bigger like what you're seeing right now, and then I do my application. And the reason for that is because you want your front hair to be like really slicked down. It should be laid down flat, and that's why I just didn't go in straight with the application. I had to like section the hair into two parts. You could do whatever you feel like and whatever that fits your hair, but because my hair is very dry, baby, my hair it's naturally dry. So guys, technically this video is very self-explanatory, so what I'm gonna do right now is just run through the whole video and then you'd see it yourself. So right here I'm tying the hair, and this is the first step or the first stage to give your face a lift. So I'm using this thread. You could just use only thread for this whole section. You don't need to use any rubber band, because girl, if you use a rubber band, mommies and aunties and sisters, the rubber band would spoil your hair. Like it will break your hair, it will give you headaches as well. So don't use rubber band, always use this thread. So I did that first, and then I went ahead to dry my hair, do my baby hair, and just leave it for it to dry. I used this headband to just lay everything down, and I used my hair tie and this whole black stocking cap to just lay it flat, just for laying it flat and making it dry in place. So guys, like I said earlier, please do not use rubber band, always use thread for this particular tutorial, and don't tie too tight. Let it be as free as it can be, but not too loose, because if it's too loose you will not be able to get the whole face lift you would want. So you would want to do it to the extent where it would actually lift your forehead and your eye, you know, like it will give you like a little bit of cute facelift, which you'll be seeing at the end of the video. So this is the spring twist hair I'll be using for today's tutorial, and I'm going to just unravel it just like that, just for it to give me that natural hair. And this is exactly how I would be applying my crochet, and just keep watching as you go. So this is how you apply your crochet. You could actually use this two method to do your crochet hair, and this is like the knot method, and the other one is just tying it regularly. And after this I would shut my mouth and you guys will enjoy the video while it lasts. So I love you all, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you.